Hey, what's up? It's Sun and Snow Edits here. Doing something a little bit different, nothing really to do with skiing or longboarding or anything. We're going to be working on our personal vehicles today. So yeah, if you guys don't know, I am Brett. Over here we got Marquise, Levi, and Andre. And we are going to be working on my Subaru Forester STB, the Fozzie, and Andre's Sun FRS. We're installing the coilovers and wheels on Andre's car, and then we're also doing an oil change on the Fozzie and installing short shifter, pitch stop mount, and aftermarket shifter bushings to fix the sloppy shifter on my wagon. And then we'll also be doing the turbo heat shield and pedals as well, but not too sure how I'm going to edit it because we'll probably make it into a couple videos, but yeah, I guess you'll see how it goes. Yeah.
Is it a bit hot there? Is it?
It's hot as fuck, man. Ah!
Alright, so we got the old oil out. It's just chilling in the pan until we empty out this jug of fresh oil. I just got the Royal Purple Synthetic 530, and I just got the Fram, just a regular extra guard filter. But I just like them because they got this nice little like coarse grip on it. Just makes it a little bit easier to take on and off when it's all oily and shit. Alright, so now we got our old oil drained, our oil filter off, our new oil filter on. Now it's time to...
Hey, what's up, man?
Yeah.
You want to see some?
No, that's fine. Thanks.
Thanks.
Oh yeah! Nice goggles.
Thanks, Brian.
How did I piss it? Alright, so to get the WRX pedals on, it's pretty easy. The pedals here, this rubber kind of cover just peels right off of it, and then you can put the metal one over top, so I'll be doing that. And then the dead pedal has a bolt right there, if you can see. There's just two bolts, one right there and then one right above it, so I'll be removing that. The gas pedal just has a little bolt on the side. You can't see it from this angle, but yeah, I'll be removing that too, and then putting all the WRX ones on. So for the turbo heat shield, it's pretty easy. You just need to remove two bolts from the stock one, and then it just kind of pulls right out of there. I'll show you that in a sec. Alright, so there's the first bolt right there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's right there. And the second one is on the back side of it. Yeah, you can't see it. But the second one's just on the back side, so I'll remove that and take that out of there. Alright, so I got the stock turbo heat shield out. There's actually more than two bolts. There's the one on the side that I was talking about and you could see on the video. And there's another one hidden down a little bit more right there. And then just the other one I was talking about in the clip saying that it was hidden along the back side. So yeah, ripped that out. And then you come over here and you got the aftermarket Kuzco turbo heat shield right there. So it's just a nice shiny stainless steel to just kind of make the engine bay pop a little bit more, you know. It's all about them fine details if you can't notice. And then I got all the WRX pedals in. The gas pedal was a bitch. There's a weird pin that you kind of need to knock out to get it. But yeah, the clutch pedal and brake were super easy. They literally just slip over top. And then the dead pedal is just the two bolts as I was talking about. But yeah, it looks a little bit nicer. It adds a little bit of pop to the interior, and yeah, I like it. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up this episode. We got my turbo heat shield on, the WRX pedals on, and changed the oil in my Fozzie.
And stay tuned for the next video because we got something big cooking up.
Yeah, it's gonna be big, so
Stay tuned.
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.